Hey everybody, hope all is well today. Not today, but a couple days ago I went to Sandro because they've actually opened up a store near me, which is like pretty much 6 blocks away. Dangerous, but they had friends and family sales. So today we are checking out Sandro. Harry. Let's get started, see what I bought. But first, if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, authentic like Tote, I DIY, I compare bags, review on bags, and much more. If you like that kind of stuff, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to just talk about fashion and style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Sorry folks, today I am not wearing makeup. I'm too lazy. If you know me, I hardly wear makeup anyway. I started getting makeup when I started creating content. Really. But now I'm getting more comfortable. I'm just like, whatever. So y'all, I'm not from the South, I just like saying y'all, have to get used to it sometimes where I just don't want to wear makeup. I'm crazy. Let's get started. What the heck did I get myself into? Okay, first up. They wrapped it up so nicely. I'm gonna ruin it. I got these cute shorts in Sandro, and I guess made in Bulgaria. It's interesting. If you can see that, it will show. If not, oh well. And I purchased size 38. And there is the tag. That isn't the price. It is more affordable than what was listed. But these shorts are cute. Had to buy them. Next item is this cute. They had a couple sweaters that I wanted to buy, but I bought this one. It has like thick shoulder pads. It's not like shoulder pads, but it's just thicker on the shoulders. It has these cute ruffles and a beautiful S. And they also have sweatshirts, which I did buy. And it comes with the buttons and the back. And this is Sandro here. Really cute. And I will put them on for you unless I'm already putting it on and you're looking at it. But it has the S. It's a very like nice pocket here, and the embroidery is really thick and nice. Like the quality. This has quality stuff. This is Sandro's like Sandro. It's like way better than Zara. It's way better, but then the price is way up. So yeah, these are not like that cheap, but then they do have sales. I do recommend Sandro. Sandro, I don't know. However you want to say it, Sandro. Anyway, so it's so adorable. When I tried it on at the store, I was like, no, I have to buy this. So this whole outfit, the shorts, it's really comfortable, and size 38. Again, I'm 5'4". My waist is 26.8. I'm basically 27, but I mean, this is like how long the sweater is, and like, you know, it's high-waisted shorts, so you could typically just you can go ahead and just tuck it in and have like this cute look, right? I mean, I'm loving this outfit and I'm loving this sweater. Or you could put a belt on. Fine, I'll do a little bit of styling. Yes, it's loose, but you get the gist of it. I need to like put another hole, so it's like a snatched waist. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's really adorable. I love this outfit. Cute sweater. I had to get another one. Let me show you. This is the other sweater. and this was like 70% off. I thought it was so cute. It gave me those Gucci vibes. And since we're like dressed down, not going to the office, you know, like, even if I was, well, no, I can't wear this in the office because of the lettering and stuff, but it's really cute. And of course, their embroidery is just like really, really thick and nice, which I love. It has a nice hood and nice little tabs for, I don't know, they're tabs, but the ends of the sweatshirt, like silvery, and it's really cute. Again, it has that, to me, it has that Gucci vibe with this. But they had this other cute sweater with ruffles up here, and no hoodie, but like ruffles. Is so cute. But that's it, folks. Now, folks, I did get a size 1. There's no pockets. It's really cute. I have no words. Can't complain about it. It's really thick and nice, and it has a hood, as you can see. I like my hoods, or just put everything in your hood because you don't want to get wet. Well, you're gonna get wet because it's gonna just soak right through here. But you get the gist of it. This is adorable. Not a full-on styling, just to show you, like, give you an idea of how Sandro clothes look or how they fit. This one's size 1. I'm 5'4", so this is the length, if that's what you're going for. And they did give like gifts. My husband did take the wallet. It was like one of those really thin wallets, and was like really navy blue, almost black. I let him have it because he bought everything for me. And then they gave me a tote, which was amazing. It's a gift tote. I think it's because they probably just opened up there and like they're new and they're just doing this nice little gift for people. So that's the tote, really cute. Well, everybody, have a wonderful night and or day, wherever you are, and talk to you soon. Bye. Also, I'm kind of changing it up, moving around the room like a merry-go-round.